Yeah, one of the things that we've seen is there's a real risk of vendor lock-in, right? If you take all your data, all your static data, your data of record, so to speak, and put it in the cloud, it's out of your control, right? They back up the semi-trailer, they load all the data, they take it over to the data center, load it up in the cloud. It's over there now, it's not in your environment. So how can an agency, what are some of the things they can do to avoid that lock-in?
So containers is
Okay.
one method to ensure that an organization has a portable technology stack, or as portable as possible. A technology stack that's containerized with the ability for you to move your key system and infrastructure components from one organization to another.
Okay.
This is something that most cloud service providers are starting to support more and more, and I think it's going to be a critical component for agencies that have multiple CSPs.
Yeah, the other thing I've seen is that a lot of agencies may take their intake data and their transactional data, where you're processing that intake data, maybe move that into the cloud because that data is elastic, and so you can take advantage of the cloud and the transaction processing associated with the cloud. But your data of record, your archival data, the archive data goes to NARA, so you don't need to worry about it too much. But their data of record, they tend to keep on premise. Mm-hmm. So it's segmenting out your data pieces, because that data of record is not really elastic. It just grows over time. So by putting that in the cloud, don't you think that basically you would pay more in the cloud than you would if you'd had it on premise?
You absolutely would. There is merit to identifying a method to capture and store your data long term, securely, without having to put yourself in a position where you're behind a transactional barrier that's associated with dollar signs.
So one of the ways you can avoid the lock-in is by segmenting out your data, the different types, what's elastic, what's not elastic, and using the elastic data in the cloud, taking advantage of the benefits of the cloud, and think about some other mechanism for your non-elastic data.
Right. Processing in the cloud, analytics in the cloud, great benefit to an organization.
Right.
Storage, also a benefit, but long-term, large volume, you have to think that through carefully.
Very good. Thank you, Gavin.